guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Boxy Charm for October. I already know it's in here. There's no surprise. I couldn't wait. Like, I just couldn't. Sorry. If you're not familiar with Boxy, it's $21 a month. It is an exciting subscription because you get like five full-size makeup items. Well, also skincare as well. You kind of fill out a survey when you sign up that tells them what you like, and then there are a few different variants each month that people get. This is the first variant for October. It's the one I wanted. I'm super excited. So you open it up, and they always have this great padding. Like, it's padded really well. And then this is the Alter Ego box. So then they go through here, and they give you the retail values of everything. The first item is the one I'm least excited about. This is the It Superhero Mascara. I do not need any more black mascara, and I especially don't need any more of this mascara. I have problems with this. I don't know if I'm using it wrong or what, but it flakes everywhere. So now, is this great though? People can always use this. That's great. It's $24. So, I mean, that's cool, right? It's nice, but like, it's not, I'm least pumped about that. I will never use it. So the next item, I think everybody got a Kat Von D the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. There were a bunch of different options. There was the Bow and Arrow, the Lolita, what were the other ones? I don't remember now. There was a bunch. It was like a mixture of pinks and browns though, and nudes, I should say, on the whole. I got Lolita, which I think is really pretty. I don't know if it suits me per se. These are expensive. These are $20 each. So you've already gotten your box. With the mascara itself, you've gotten the value of the box. So here's the little, the tube. And it's like this, a very, like, I want to say like a cinnamon, you know, like a very pretty for fall. I don't know if I could, I'm getting tired of wearing nude. I always gravitate towards browns, nudes, all that stuff. And I've been looking at myself and I'm like, why are you picking this color? Again, it's like a different version of the same color over and over. And I'm like, you need to change it, girl. This is not the 90s anymore. So anyway, the next product is probably the one I am most excited about. This is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. So basically, you put comes with a tube. I can feel it right here. You put it on this mask insert. There's 2 lace masks and 20 mils of product. So, and I have seen people in other, like some of the beauty groups, reuse the laces for other masks, which I think is a really cool idea. It is a peel off mask, which is my all-time favorite. I have a very it's very satisfying for me to peel things like glue on your hands, you know? Boom, boom. You love that? You probably love these. But this apparently is kind of painful. It is an intense mask. I've seen videos where girls are like, they're pulling and they're pulling. So I'm excited because I want to know what it's like. The retail value of this is $30. So that's a high ticket item. Next, we have another item I'm super pumped for. This is the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This is a 50 milliliter. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I might even be saying the wrong word. This is like a cleansing balm. You get makeup off your face. I love these because I have really dry skin. So if you have really dry skin and you don't want to use like something that's gonna like make your skin even more dry, oils and balms are really good ideas. The balms are better because they're not as clogging. So even if you have dry skin, sometimes they can get a little, let's just talk about that. So this has like a very mild, like green smell. I just want to say green. I don't even know. And then it is like, it turns to an oil, you'll like press it in your hands and it like turns to like a oil. And then you'll just rub it on your face and then wash it off. And it will get residual makeup, dirt, whatever. You can use it just like this, or you can use it as a second cleanse. You know, like a supportive sister cleanse. What am I thinking? I don't know. I don't know anymore. I'm tired. It's been a long day. Anyway, so I'm super excited about this. That's $22. And then the palette for this month is from Pure, P-U-R, Pure. This is the Midnight Masquerade. I will be honest, I don't think it's that amazing. I think does have some pretty, I should show you, right? That would be smart of me. Pretty colors and stuff, but I'm not like, kind of meh about it. But it's nice. It's a full-size palette in a $21 box. So let's just talk about that. So this is $38. So when you say $21, you're definitely going to use this if you buy makeup. It's worth it. So here it is. It is a, so here's the face palette and then a shadow palette, and it does have a small mirror up here. There's no brush or anything, but yeah, who's, you know, I ain't like getting angry about that. So you have this highlight, which I don't know how I feel about that. It's not really, they do smell kind of good though. Like vanilla. I have like a vanilla scent. So this is the one blush, which I think this is one of those things, like, first of all, it's a really like, I might have gotten a little, obviously that's a little too much, but like, it's got a lot of pigment, which is not my thing for blush. I just want to go like a dot. Like, I don't want a lot. And then there's this berry color here, which is pretty, right? And then they have a bronzer, which I love, like, by the way, I love the actual pans. You see the pattern in there. It's really pretty. But the bronzer is not my, to be honest, not really. I mean, it's not bad. I will probably try it out and use it. I haven't yet. So I shouldn't say that until I've used it. All right, so then we have our 6 shadows. I think every single one is a glitter except for this shade right here called Sneak Peek, which is like a brown, like a deep brown. So this one is called Exposed. I'm going to run out of time, darn it. I'll link down below to my full review. I'll have all the swatches. It's going to end, and we're just going to try to get as many in as possible. This one's pretty, though. This color right here. See that? I like that a lot. And then there's this one. This is called Mask Off. All right, guys. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. That's everything I got.